Hey everybody, this is Joshua from JSP Style and Performance, and this is the Micro Show. Today I've got a vehicle I absolutely love. This is my second time seeing this vehicle in person. In fact, seeing one of these ever. This is a Nissan Rasheen. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a one-of-a-kind micro car that's a micro SUV, and the greatest thing about it is that it has a clean Florida title, it's registered, it's right-hand drive, and it has factory AC. And I absolutely love micro cars, mainly because of how small, compact they are and how unique they are. There's a lot of different types of micro cars out there. Japan has definitely done a fantastic job designing some really cool and unique ones. Now this thing is powered by a fuel-injected 4-cylinder twin-cam motor up front. It's an inline motor. It's 4-wheel drive, and of course it has a 5-speed manual transmission. I love the interior, the plaid cloth seats, and of course the full sunroof here, but the best thing about this is how it drives and handles. So let's take it out for a spin. Hey, before we go out for our ride, let me mention a couple important facts that I forgot to mention in the video, such as the mileage. Now this little Rasheen was imported here into the US and it still runs on a kilometer-based system. It's showing that it has 115,000 kilometers on it, which translates into 71,000 miles, which is pretty low, especially for these motors. Now these motors do not require a special mechanic, and in fact, when this car was transferred here to the US, it came with the Nissan owner's manual, which shows the service records. Now the service records have been heavily filled out. This car has been well maintained while it was overseas in Japan, and of course you can definitely check that out through the service manual. The only difference is it's not really easy to read since it's all in Japanese. But over here in the US, you don't need a special mechanic to work on these vehicles. These are the same motors that are pretty much found in the Nissan Sentras. Easy, reliable motors, and of course 71,000 miles, as you know, especially cars from Japan, they can last a long time if they're well maintained. And this vehicle has definitely been well maintained. The other thing I failed to mention about it is, of course, how spacious the interior really is. I'm 6.5 feet tall, and sitting in that vehicle, I had a lot of room. I actually had to move the seat up just to work the clutch. The seating is very comfortable. The AC works, power windows, the power sunroof, and the car has been well maintained, and I really like the styling of this vehicle. Now, with that being said, let's get back to the video and go for that ride. Pretty quiet compared to some of the vehicles that I own personally, and it drives nice and smooth. Brakes are good. It's got power steering. Now this would make a great vehicle for a daily driver. It comes with a reliable engine that's great and good on fuel economy. It's got a 5-speed AC. And this vehicle is very unique and different. If you'd like to learn more information about it, all you gotta do is send me a message on one of these platforms, either Haggerty, eBay, Facebook, or even here YouTube. You can also send me an email at jspHotRodParts@gmail.com. And if my phone number is posted on one of those websites, just give me a call. I answer my phone 24/7. Well, maybe not 24/7, but I answer it regularly. If you can't get in touch with me, make sure you leave a voicemail. This thing's incredible.